Alright, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Well, sitting here in somewhere in North Liberty, Iowa today. Up here, we had to take the truck into the shop again. And lo and behold, she finds a Mack truck. She bought me a hat earlier, but that hat didn't fit. It was a little bit too big. So we actually got a hold of the Mack guy, the Mack Tool Trucks guy, and found out where he was going to be at today. And he was literally went across the street. So we went and met up with him at the Ford dealership and got me a new hat, a Mack Tools hat. This one's large, extra large. The one she got me earlier was extra large to 2 or 3X. Well, it didn't fit my head.
Big head.
That one was too big. So, but lo and behold, it's the green Mack green. It is one size. It is the flex fit hat. Really nice hats. Not bad for the price. It was like $25 for this hat. Yeah, no, 30. So it gave me a few. It gave us a couple bucks off. 2.25 discount. So as I can see. But that's that. And then when I got on the truck, I decided, well, I'm just gonna shop around and get a few other things, and that's pretty much what we did. She got her a couple pairs of socks, Mack Tools socks, one crew sock and one woman's ankle sock. It is the breast cancer awareness pink. These are Max Moisture Wicking Odor Resistant Super Soft Bamboo Fibers. Supreme ventilation on both of them. They're not bad. They are backed by Redback. And then I got the bamboo quarter socks in blue with the Mack logo, Mack Tools logo on them. Same design, made in the USA. Made in the USA. Made in the USA. Y'all know how that made in the USA stuff goes. It's usually made in the USA with global components. I don't know if that's global components. Probably not. But while I was at it, scrolling, walking around his tool truck, found a few other items. Got a 4-piece mini pick set. They do have comfortable grip handles, shanks made of high strength chrome vanadium steel, zinc phosphate finish, and cellulose acetate handles. You got the 5 7/8 straight pick. You got the 5 7/8 90-degree pick. You got the 5 7/8 offset pick, and the 5 7/8 hook pick. These picks are made in Taiwan. But there's the pick set. I believe East Coast Ken has a pick set just about similar as these. They are really nice. They do have the part number right stamped on top of them, so you're not going to get them mixed up too bad. Still might get them mixed up, but you're not going to get them mixed up too bad. It does come in its blow molded case, little plastic blow molded case, if you decide to leave it in there. But part number on that is PS4SA. So it's Papa Sierra 4 Sierra Alpha. Next item. That is the tube and hose separator for radiator hoses or any kind of hose that you want to put that on. I know this is not a hose, but just for showing purposes, you put it on there, put it as far down as you can get it, and it spreads it out. But I've been needing a pair of these, been wanting a pair of these, and I finally found them. So you put this side on the hose and this side on the tube. This is also made in the USA. This is probably a Lyle rebrand for Mac. So I went ahead and bought them. The next item, I got the Mac Tools MM1618 magnet, extendable magnet. I was able to pick up some really nice heavy things with this. I believe this is like a 10 to 15 pound magnet with a really nice comfort grip on it. So this is going to come in really, really handy. And not to be outdone, I got the smaller one. I believe this is the 5 to 10 pound magnet by Mac Tools MHT2. MHT2 is the part number on that one. It does have the pocket clip on it. This one also extends out like that. Again, I believe this is 5 to 10 pounds, and I believe this one's 10 to 15, maybe even 20 pounds. You push it, probably 20 pounds though. But that's the other magnet I got. It's got that protective sleeve over it, so when it's when you get the piece off of it that you're picking up, this little thing springs back up and it takes anything that's left on it off. And it also helps protect the magnet while it's up like this too. So next item that I got, I know a lot of shop owners should have this next item. This is something the dealer said is just came out. They just produced it. I thought it was kind of neat, so I went ahead and bought it. It's air and water. You can hook this up to your air hose, or you can hook it up to your garden hose. But nonetheless, it's cleaning wands for radiators and other hard to reach places. Fast and easy, adjustable pressure cleaning wands. As y'all can see, you got your air wand and then your water wand. And there's the little adjustable knob right here on the water one. And there is the adjustable knob on the air one. I thought this was pretty cool. Let's see, where is this made? It's US patent. It looks like it is the Lao made. It's a Lao Corporation rebrand for Mac, made in China. Part number on this is RG1002BK. So not bad. Not bad at all. But as y'all can see, even as a DIYer, No matter if you're a professional or just somebody like me, if you see tool trucks out there, don't scare the driver now. Don't tell the driver you must let me on your truck, because he's not gonna let you on that truck. Remember, if you catch him at a dealership or one of his shops, his regular customers always come first. Do not interrupt his day. Just ask him nicely if you can get on his truck, either him or her, because there is female tool truck drivers now. Ask him or her if you can get on their truck nicely. Be polite. 9 times out of 10, that driver will let you on the truck. Do not expect him to hand you a credit account off his truck or tool truck account. Don't expect it, because it probably will not happen unless you work for that particular shop he's in. And he should let you on the truck. I mean, I've got a few other tool trucks that I deal with. Let's see. He's not the only one. I got a few other videos on my channel if y'all want to go back and look at that. So, wow. All right, this thing right here, vacuum and fuel hose remover. That's what that is. It is Law rebranded. And then I got the Law radiator genie in the 4-piece mini pick set. The Mega magnet pickup tool. The power cap pickup magnet. 4 pairs of socks. Not bad for the prices. Could have been a little bit better, but not bad for the prices. I think all together we spent like $270 on this truck. But damn, well worth it. But I think that's all I've got for y'all guys for this video. For this little tool haul video, Smack Tools tool haul. Just remember, just because you're a DIYer doesn't mean you can't shop on tool trucks, because you can. But that's all I got for this one. If you got this far in the video and you like it, not a part of my YouTube subscribers, and you want to be, it's easy to do. Look down below and hit that subscribe button, or over to the right or over to the left, no matter what screen you're looking at. Just click that subscribe button, Hulk smash that like button, turn on that bell for all notifications, share it with your friends. But until the next time, this is the Raging Cajun saying, now keep those wheels spinning, your beavers grinning. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.